That is the shark fin. That is Shark Fin Trail. That is the V. All right. Well, I got out here early. Let's see what time it is. I'm not sure. It's probably, my guess, it's like almost 7. I have no idea. Let's just take a look at my phone here quick. Stop this. Okay. Well, what you just saw was Red Rock Mountains behind me. This is called I call this Hummingbird Springs area. Tons of hummingbirds. I also call it Shark Fin Trail, which is out that way, and that's Shark Fin Mountain up top. Temperatures are getting cold. I've been here for a while. The sun just went in. It's 7:18 a.m. in the morning, Las Vegas time. I'm in the desert. It's gorgeous out. When the sun breaks through the clouds, this lights up like a rainbow. And over that direction, it's called Rainbow Mountain because of the rainbow. And I call this Hummingbird Springs, which is, I guess they call it Red Springs. I have no idea why. And maybe because all the red rock. That's an idea. And then you can call that shark fin. They call that something else. I don't even know what they call it, but all I can say, it's a shark fin swimming northeast. So, on that note, today's an exciting day, and I got to kick it off with this. So, I have something very, very special to share with you, and this is really, really cool. So, I bought something, a tool that I used every day of my life, and it finally, the blade broke, and there was only this much left, maybe like a ½ inch, and then after that, the scissors got dull, and I didn't have the right sharpener, and then the scissors, some kind of little mechanism in there, a spring, after, I don't know, 20 some years, possibly, maybe longer, it's sort of like it wasn't working, but I made it work anyway. So I finally decided, you know what, I'm going to see if this company will actually repair it or fix it. So I sent it off, and I sent them a little letter, and it was a really, really cool letter. And I shared my passion about this particular tool that I used. And in the past, I've had other tools that have red casings on and different little things, and they just weren't as good as that. And now the sun's coming out, so we're getting a little sunlight today. Isn't it interesting that when things get bright out, things get exciting? So here it is. So anyway, let me share with you what I got. So this is what I got. I got a package. It finally came. Very, very patient. And inside the package is my tool I use all the time. So every day, for everything, from clipping, from sewing, from, oh my gosh, trimming my nail to doing everything. And if the blade is sharp, you can do a lot of stuff. And if the scissors are sharp, you can do a ton of stuff. And there's a little screwdriver on it and everything. So let me grab my tool out of my pocket so I can open this package, because it's difficult to open it. Hang on. Let's see where it's at here. Okay. So I keep it on my keychain. So I keep the tool on my keychain all the time. Of course, I always have to keep a spark plug gapper so that my spark plugs are always gapped correctly. And then I have my car key, and then I have my other keys. Well, my tool's not on here. It's not on my keychain. So what am I going to do? How can I open this? I don't know. If I was a cat, I'd have claws and I'd claw through it. If I was a dog, I'd probably bite it and growl. But anyway, let's just get this baby open and see what's inside. All right, let me find a tree branch where I can set this on. Nothing. No tree branches. So I guess what I'll do is I'll do my best. And today is officially November 8th, 2022. Temperature right now in the desert, Fahrenheit, I'm going to have to say it's probably, let's see if I can open this with one hand. This is taking too long. Oh my gosh. We got it. We got it. We got it. Oh my gosh. Well, all I know is it's definitely secure. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I wish I had my tool. 1 second. We're almost there. I'm going to have to use my teeth. Oh, I finally found a little thing. Look at this. I finally found a little tab to pull. Oh, and that broke, so that didn't work. Hang on. Yeah, innovation at its best. There it is. There it is. I have no idea if it's fixed, but let's take a look. It's inside. What do you think it is? What's that magical tool? It is dark. See if I bring it in closer. There it is. You got it. I think it's one of the best tools ever. Here it is. It is my genuine, official Leatherman style micro. And it's like the first one has like a little baby carabiner. It's just really wonderful. I don't use that. I actually put my metal loop right through this right here, so it's always secure. So it's always secure. And then it has a beautiful, let me just open it, a little screwdriver and a little nail file on the one side, a little nail file. Let me close that up. And then it has, let me open it. A little pocket knife, which is really, really good. And if you can see, it actually says Leatherman on it. It is a Leatherman tool. And the piece, this is how much I was using it for, probably, I don't know, 4 years. That's how much of knife I used for 4 years, and that was plenty. Because I understand that is long, but hey, we never know, you know. And then when you open it like this, there's a spring that allows it to reflect back and forth. So it looks like they even replaced the scissors part of it, which is gorgeous. Or maybe they sharpened it. I have no idea. A company like that can probably do anything with anything, and whoever's been with the company is the master Leatherman maker. Of course, it's probably the owner, but then he hired people that are probably maybe even better than what he was to make these. I have no idea. That's my guess. But this is a genuine Leatherman tool. It is amazing. It's stainless steel. It is with me 24/7, 365, or maybe 48. A 720. But that's it. So that's my Leatherman tool. That goes onto my key ring, and I'm all set. So I feel like I finally got like my best tool back. I'm happy. There we go. So other than that, I'm going to put that on my keyring, and I hope you enjoyed the video. This is the video about education and safety. It's also journeys and adventures, and it's also bushcraft, hiking, bushcraft, and survival, along with some entertainment. So anyway, until the next time, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you get a chance, check out Leatherman tools. You'll be amazed. They have different sizes. This pocket size has never ripped a hole in my pants ever. Any pocket, any dress pants, anything. It is absolutely amazing tool. An amazing tool. Thank you, Leatherman. I appreciate it, your kindness, and I am like absolutely thrilled that I got my tool back. And thank you so much. It means so much to me. You can't believe how important this tool is. Everyday use. Everyday use. If it was up to me, every United States citizen would have one of these. One of these right here. This little teeny tool. All right. Let's take a look at the mountain, see if the sun's hitting a shark fin. Oh yeah. So one of the things I wanted to share with you before we leave is now I'm standing at the very south side of the boardwalk that's built out here in Red Rock. As you can see, the boardwalk. There's signs everywhere that says no español, don't walk into the area, don't climb on the rocks in here, preserve all of the grasses. This used to be a big lake. Right here, big lake, big pond with fish, and over years and years and years, all the sandstone came down from the mountain and filled in this whole pond area. But there's trees now that grew back in, rocks that fell down over here. Pretty interesting stuff. But look at the way the wind comes across. So the wind blows across here and lays all of the grasses down. Water does that, little droplets. Even though the sun is this way, behind the camera, the winds come over the mountain and blow it down this way. Very interesting stuff. So we're going to call it a day. That was just a little extra. I just wanted to walk up here. Even if I walk and hike the desert or hike up to the Shark Fin Trail, I always, and there's other trails I take up too. I mean, there's amazing trails. But I wanted to just share with you some of the really cool locations. So that's it. Check it out. That's looking south. If you take that trail, you can go around this entire mountain and eventually come up to the back side of Shark Fin Trail.